Hello guys, if you own a Yamaha, a Kawasaki, a nice adventure bike Honda, or a Suzuki, then you own a Japanese bike. So this video is for you. Please watch it. This is about Vessel screwdrivers, and we are going to show you the unboxing and then if they worth the money or not. Hello guys, thank you for watching, and I'm going to show you about the screwdrivers. So I have a drawer with full of screwdrivers, and all of them are not very good, or they're not bad either, but for a bike all the edges are wearing, or they are not tight to the screws. Some of them just wear out. And so what I did, I bought a Vessel screwdrivers, and I just got it from Amazon. Um, these are the Vessel Megadora, and they are beyond Japanese industrial standards. This means that is JIS. Basically, all the Japanese bikes use like a special um, screws and bolts and everything. So this kit is specific for Japanese bikes. So they have a like a 4.9 reviews on the on Amazon. So we're going to see if they worth the money or not. These were about $60, free shipping, and from one day to the other. So let's take a look. So the packages is just like it comes with a foam. It's concealed with white paper. Um, this one has the jaw. According to this, is that the screws has like a little bit of traction or something to grab the bolt so it doesn't slip, or then you don't make a mess with it. It says that the JAWSFIT, it gets into the screw and is going to keep it safe. So this is a set of 8 screwdrivers. We have flat or Phillips. So let's see, and this is a Tata story. It's tradition. So this is made in Japan, and also so we know that the components are very important. If the steel is good, the material is good, it's going to should give us a good result with the screwdrivers. So once you do this, you are going to open it. Oh, what is there? Hey, please subscribe to my channel. This is One Guy Garage. Please follow me, and I would like to share more videos. Thank you. So as you can see, this is a nice packaging. It has foam. This foam is about 1 inch, and it's soft, but it's a perfect cut for all the screwdrivers. As you can see, they come different sizes, and it's nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the plastic, and then we're going to just to tear apart. There are several kind of screwdrivers. These are $60, and there are others with different functions. Some of them has like something that you can use the hammer at the top, so you can smash here. And so for what I want, I don't need any kind of hammer or things. So this is it's heavy. It feels good on your hand. The grip, it says non-slip. so you can just grab it and have it tight and move it to the bolt. And so I will try to show you where the jaw. Oh, you can see it there. You see? So this grab the bolt or the screw and make it tighter. And none of them, none of the other ones, like the regular brand, has something like that. For example, I have this one. Let's see, a regular one, and then you use them, and it's fine. But sometimes they don't grab the bolt correctly. So this all of the Phillips has it. You can feel it's kind of sharp, which is good. You can also buy the warranty. And what I see in this is that you can use it very good with this non-slip surface. So once you're working with some bolt, you will do it first with the hand, and then you can just do this to do it faster. So all the Phillips screwdrivers have this kind of finish. And this, from what I heard or read, these are magnetic. We're going to check it in a minute. And so this one also, this is very very good, I think, because you can just grab it for carburetors or things like that. So this one is as well. It's JAWSFIT. All right. And for the flat ones, I don't see nothing crazy, but I think the quality of the steel is the same and is great. I will put the description of the item and the same. They have this kind of non-slip thing, so you can just go fast. But I think I like it. It feels rough, and the size of the screwdrivers is just what you need for a motorcycle. This is heavy. It feels good. I had another screwdriver, and let me try to find it. But yeah, so this is a different brand. This is like I don't know. Doesn't even have a brand, but you can see that they are similar. But you can see how they chipped. So it's not the same. Uh, so the kind of steel is matters. This is kind of similar size. Yeah, like maybe 1 inch shorter, but still. So they have like a black tip. So they are trying to imitate these quality screwdrivers. So they even have the same colors, but no. So make sure that you have the brand Vessel. These are made in Japan. Good steel. Feels good. All right. So now we're going to try to see if the jaw fit really makes a difference or not. Let's take a look. Okay, so now, as I told you, we're going to do a test if they are magnetized or not. So, well, they are, yeah, they are. You can even get a little bit more, but yeah, they are magnetized. And let's see if the jaw fit also helps. This is a very long screwdriver, and you can see that you can even turn it and hold it. I mean, it will hold it at some point, but yeah, you can rotate a little bit and it will get something to it. So yeah, I like. You see, ooh, yeah. No other screwdriver is going to do that. Let's check this one, for example. This is a good fit, but it's not going to get it. No way. And this one, yeah, All right. All right. Let's do this trial. And they also come with nice stickers. I will use them from my refrigerator and for my other bike. But yeah, nice stickers from them. And so now I will show you. So in the past, I rebuilt this motorcycle. I This motor was locked up, and so I fixed it with all kind of tools. But as you can see, we have some screws. Sorry, yeah, just like this. That doesn't. So I was slipping some of the screws because I didn't have the correct tools. Even this one that looks like damage. This is damaged as well. It's not too bad, but is good. So what I will do, I will pick the largest screwdriver, and let's see if we can move it. For example, this bolt is damaged, so let's see. Yeah, you can feel. Oh, sorry. You can feel when you put it there. You are. I'm twisting my hand to the left, to the right, and then you feel that it doesn't go like to the outside of the bolt. So it means that this kind of grab it. So if you push forward, oh yeah, goes out, and then you can just do this faster. I will put it back just to make sure that it's okay. I don't want any leaks on my 1978 motorcycle. But if you push and then tight to the right, yeah, it doesn't slip anything. So even a damaged bolt is going to work. For this one, it looks good. Oh, yeah, just easy to move. Yeah, so I think this is a great quality of screwdrivers. So I'm going to put it back. But for example, for things like this on the carburetors, this has four carburetors. You can use this one, this small one, to do adjustments. I don't. I'm not going to do it because if I do it, it may leak gasoline. But this is why the small one helps to do something on your motorcycle. So you can do it here, maybe not here because then you have. I'm sorry. You have one here, other here, and then another in the back, and then the other ones on the back. But I really like this brand, and I think this is a great add to my shop because before I had these ones, you can see kind of all of them are damaged, and when this motor was locked up, everything was tighter. So I was kind of slipping some of the bolts, but with this set, I think is great. Even the smaller size, let's see. You can see that this is a little bit smaller for the bolt, but let's see. Oh, yeah, I slip it a little bit because this is not the correct size. It may be the correct size for something like this or like this once you remove them, but that's why. Oh, let's see if it has any damage. Mm, I'm sorry, I try to focus. No damage. So make sure that you use the correct size for your needs. For these ones, we need the largest one, and then even if we damage it a little bit, we can just push forward. Ah, this is tight. Yeah, and then you will be able to remove it. All right. So this is my review. What I will do with this set is I'm going to put it here in my drawer. So now you have it like nice, and it fits awesome, perfect fit. This is kind of a regular drawer. This is a Husky um, drawer, and it has the perfect size for it. All right, please follow me, subscribe, like, and share. JAWSFIT.